Hey everyone, this is Ashutosh back again. Welcome to Spark Interview Series. So today we'll be exploring one question related to data frame group by. As you can see on my screen that we have a data frame. We are reading a CSV file or a list of files and we are creating a data frame DF. Now we are grouping by one column which is ocean proximity and then we are doing a count operation. The questions are whether this particular statement is an action or a transformation. Another question is what is the type of the group DF? Okay, so we'll be having a look at both of these questions. So I'll open a Spark shell as you can see on my screen, and also I will show you how we can validate using the Spark UI. Alright, so let's go ahead and read the file. So it's reading. Let's go to Spark UI and see whether jobs are created or not. On this UI, you can see that for one read operation, we have 3 jobs created. Now let's go ahead and run this statement. So I have run this statement. As you can see, the group DF type is data frame. Okay, so this answers our second question. Now let's go ahead and see whether there is any additional job there. You can see that there is no any additional job. Now what we will do is we'll do a show operation, or we will just call the show method and then see. So now let's click jobs. Now you can see jobs here. So when we ran this statement, no action was called. So basically it created another data frame. So this is a transformation rather than an action. Okay, this answers our first question. And how you can validate? You can go to jobs and see. So whatever actions you are performing, there will be a job for at least one job for one action. Okay, so if there is no job, that means that is not an action. So as you can see on my screen that I ran some count operation here. So group df.count and it returned a long. So that particular count operation I am performing on group df, which is of type data frame, and that is an action. You can go to Spark UI and validate that. Here you can see count. If you click here, it will give you the details. If you see df.rdd.getNum partitions, you can see that there are 17 partitions. On the Spark UI, you can see that here 17 partitions are created. And if you want to further drill down, you can click here and scroll down and see the size of each partitions is around 32.6 megabytes along with the task IDs here. So this Spark UI is a very informative tool. You can see a lot of details here regarding your partitions, the actions, and the transformations. So you may get this kind of questions in interview just to confuse you and to test your knowledge on the data frames and group by operations. And if you can answer these kind of questions, that's a bonus for you. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe and leave your feedbacks and suggestions in the comment section. I'll try to bring more and more questions of this kind in the future. So stay tuned, stay safe, and we'll see you again. Thank you.